right, here we are, about to trade her in. We are at Camping World, Fort Pierce. So, I want to say thank you, J-Flight. It's great to us on our 21 voyages. But it is time now for our next, what do we call it? We said transition. So, we'll see you after we pick up our new one. All right, so far smooth process, kind of nice. You got the little VIP little lanyard. It's kind of nice little treatment there. So what we're gonna do is they want us to pull the trailer over to the side. They'll unhook, and then we'll start the process with the new one. Here she is, one last tow. Here we go.
I feel like we're in Puerto Rico again at the round table.
Yeah, we did this timeshare meeting there, and it was just a bunch of sharks in one room. But we got the day passes, didn't we?
And did we even use them?
No, we didn't use them at all. Didn't use them whatsoever. Wasted 3 hours of our lives.
Timeshare. I feel like we're at the timeshare round table.
Yeah, exactly. It's like, here it comes.
Yes.
All right, here we go.
Well, we're here, and apparently some of the paperwork and everything that we sent didn't make its way over here.
Yeah, from Monday, like a utility bill or
even insurance.
Even insurance. Like, you know, we were driving 45 minutes away.
And we were late.
And we were 30 minutes late. So, what's going on? Yeah, good. All right, here we go.
Back to what we were saying. We were saying that things are not super organized here at Camping World.
Neither of the two sales professionals are here. When we're going to take delivery of it's a pretty big purchase. You know, big for us. I mean, it's, you know, it's a big fixed wheel, 35-foot fifth wheel. So, you know, would have hoped they would have been here. Maybe we get to ring the bell or something. But so far, it's not that organized. So, you know, compared to another place.
Just give us our camper.
Right, let's get our camper and let's get out of here. So, stay tuned.
Drop it off
For the walkthrough.
Full-time drivers right here. I was looking at the road.
So, huge shout out to Vandy, who did our walkthrough. He was amazing.
Thorough.
Very thorough. It was definitely worth paying attention to. Gave all kind of nuggets about the RV and
Little hints on maintenance and things we need and things we should be doing.
right, and things we don't need.
Things we don't need.
And
Yeah.
things we don't need to do. And, you know, we were really worried about, you know, getting a big fifth wheel and slides and everything.
He made it look simple. He made it not so intimidating.
And how he talked to us, like it wasn't like, you know, overwhelming. Like he didn't talk to us like we were, you know, beneath him or made us feel intimidated. It was great. So kudos to him, because up until this point it was being kind of, you know, low. So he, you know, Vandy, definitely. Camping World Fort Pierce. He needs a raise. He's amazing. Thank you, Vandy. Roll Tide. So we are just waiting to confirm that all the paperwork, insurance is all set. Kelly took care of that. So it is now 10 after 1. We've been here since about 9:45 this morning. So it's definitely not a fast process at all. But
So tell me the ones.
we're taking
have 1:30
delivery
or
and
9:30.
paperwork.
And then what was it this morning?
Oh.
An extension cord through something.
All right, so
So he's letting us stay over.
made her extremely happy. See this bit right here. See, yes, very happy. Very happy. See the smile on her face right there? Oh,
We'll get you plugged in.
we get to stay in the camper tonight. Ooh. Stay tuned. All right, go. All right, come on.
Okay.
All right, come on. We gotta. Ready? All right, so we got great news. We just made our huge purchase. We're official, it's official. We bought our first fifth wheel. It is a 2021 Keystone Alpine, the 3220 rear living RL fifth wheel. So we got it, and we're actually going to get to stay in it tonight. So we're extremely happy they made it happen. We can't take it home yet because we don't have the right hitch. We're getting a special order hitch for the fifth wheel, but we are getting ready to transfer some of our stuff from the Jayco. You see, here's a Jayco. Here's our new one right here. Let's spin this. Saying bye to our great RV. Here she is, ready for the next person to look. Residential. Space in the shower. Huge. We both can fit in here. Come here. Watch this. Hey, baby. First night. First night in the new Keystone Alpine. Where are we at? We're
camping in the parking lot of Camping World.
in the parking lot.
It's free.
It's free. It was free. We couldn't get the hitch delivered until Monday or Tuesday. The fifth wheel gooseneck hitch. So they were nice enough to
Just give us an extension cord and let us stay here so we could settle in and unpack our stuff and get used to everything.
very nice. So we are extremely blessed and grateful.
Tired.
And tired.
It
Definitely
was a long
tired.
day.
It's very nice. We'll have to catch up tomorrow morning when we get up. But we are going to the Waffle House, which is around the corner. So we're watching a little football.
Good night.
Night.